Hercules 1200 inch-pound drill driver. This is a 6-inch big leg. Look at that. And this is pre-drilled. Wow, that's far in as that's going to go. Okay. That's as far in as that'll go. That's on speed 1. You know how we remove legs, don't you? Rigid high torque. Right. Let's try this again now. But that's how we remove legs. We use a high torque. Okay. Let's try that over again. Let's try it in the other hole. Wow, almost put it in. That's about as far as it's going to go. And that's on speed 1. Yep, that's as far as it's going. That's on speed 1. Speed 1 with the Hercules 1200 inch-pounds. And this is a big 8 amp hour 21700 cell battery. Okay, now we remove it with the rigid high torque impact wrench. Okay, now Now, this Milwaukee M18 Gen 4 with a Cobalt Ultimate Output 8 amp on it. Now we're going to put this big 8-inch lag in. Probably the same hole. Let's turn on speed 1. Okay. Let's try that again. Let's give the Milwaukee one more shot. But let's take it out. Let us take it out with my favorite high torque. It's actually the only high torque I own. Okay, let's try it on speed too. Wow. Well, I don't know. 6 of one done, half a dozen of the other. Don't forget, these are big legs. We'll try that all over again. I'm bored and I got some fucking time to kill. Okay. Speed 1 with the same 8-inch power leg in the same hole. Or we'll try this one. Wow. Forget it. Well, I guess these big legs, we'll keep trying this until we get closer. Okay. We'll remove it again with my rigid high torque. This is a really big leg. Look at the size of the socket it takes to install it. That is a 15/16 to install that. Speed 1. Wow. That's as far as I can go with these. Well, let's remove it with, you know, my rigid high torque. 1,300 pounds of removal. 900 of tightening. Okay. Now, This is going to be a little bit long of a video. We're just trying to see which one will do it. Okay, let's go back to the Hercules 1200 inch-pound drill driver. This is just a drill driver. The Milwaukee's a hammer drill. What's the use? I don't do concrete work. Well, as far as I'm concerned, that's a little bit further in then, but you know, no matter how you look at it, neither one of these drills, I don't care which one it is, they are not going to install that big ass lag all the way down. 1400 inch-pounds, 1200 inch-pounds. Now, this is how you do it. Watch. This is how you install a lag. You want to install a lag that's that fucking big, you use a high fucking torque. This is what it's made for. You know? Let's just try to drill a hole, period. See? That's how you install a lag. When they get to be that big, you use this. You don't use this. And you don't use this. You use a high torque. Eric from The Edge. Eric from the Bearded Tool Guy signing off.